look at how much rain we've seen. And these numbers are still being adjusted because it's still raining out. But over 2.5 inches of rain have been reported in Fort Worth. Now, this varies across the city. And just over 1.25 inches in Dallas. Again, it varies in the city. Right in the middle, though, along Interstate 360, Highway 360, we were looking at Grand Prairie and Arlington, some of the higher totals there, closer to 2 inches of rain for some spots. Denton County, close to 1.25 inches, almost 2 inches in some spots of Collin County, and over 3.5 inches in Greenville there. One of the highest totals that I've seen over the last 24 hours so far. And again, this rain, it's not completely done. We're still seeing some of this rain along I-35, really between Denton and Tarrant County, but I'm already seeing some drying there just west of Tarrant County as this continues to move towards the north and east. Temperatures are in the upper 40s, by the way, as a result of this cloud cover and rain. At a north wind, it's keeping us on the cool side. We're looking at this rain progressing to the east, northeast, and again, you're seeing some drying here right behind this last batch of rain moving in. And you can see that rain, like I mentioned, it extends from Denton, Fort Worth, Cleburne, Hillsborough. This is generally moving to the east, northeast, so this will be the last large band of rain that we see push through. Still seeing a little bit of lightning there in southern Denton County. Not seeing too much of it anywhere else, though. I'm going to zoom in here. DFW seeing still some very light rain. A little downpour right over Arlington, Grand Prairie at the moment, but that's really about it. We're going to notice a lot of this taper off. Exactly how our timecast shows here. This is as we approach 1, 2 in the afternoon. Look at this. A lot of that rain continues to progress towards the east. We'll see the cloud cover the rest of the day. That's why our temperatures don't climb too much today, but it does start to clear out as we approach the overnight hours. Some drier air continues to filter in, and then we'll notice that a lot of that rain that we're seeing now keeps pushing to East Texas. As far as how much additional rain, I think we could get closer to 2/10, 3/10 of an inch. Now, this is in addition to what we've already seen. So it just kind of happens wherever we see those downpours develop here over the next hour or two, and then it starts to dry out. So your day planner today, our temperatures, again, not changing too much. Our rain tapers off. Our rain coverage tapers off about 50 degrees, 3, 4 in the afternoon. High temperatures are going to stay really mild across some spots, especially across Dallas-Fort Worth in the low 50s. I should go ahead and call that cool for this time of the year, and into the mid 50s. Where we see the drying out a little bit earlier in the day. Now we're going to continue to see again that rain move to the east all as this system moves east, and that's where we find the threat for severe weather late today into tonight. It extends into Louisiana and middle Mississippi where there is an enhanced risk of severe weather. We do not see that. That stays far away from us. Temperatures are going to drop into the mid 30s tonight, so by Thursday morning it's going to be quite chilly out. 60 degrees for the high temperature. 49 degrees on Friday. We see that push of cool air come in, and it stays with us through the weekend with highs only in the mid 50s for Saturday and for Sunday.